Okay, so this is the alpicool part 2. After opening all the screws, there is a plastic case that you can remove, and then you get to very nice construction, I have to admit. GMCC compressor, which is using R134A gas. I checked, it is 100 gram of gas. You can see all the copper coils. You have here service part in order to add gas, and it is without valve because they closed it. And then on the side here, it's a little hard to see. There are two plastic cases with the power boards. This is what I need to get into. There is also here all the compressor controller, which I don't have anything with it because it is working properly. So our problem is one of these two boards. In order to take these boards out, there are screws, but any Phillips screws will not fit, not to this side, for sure not to the other side. So I have to find a tool with a right angle in order to remove these 4 screws, and then I will be able to get to the power boards in order to understand what is going on. I think there is a problem with measuring the battery voltage. Okay, so probably the reading, something is incorrect, maybe something is, any component is burned, maybe a resistor, shunt resistor, or any other. But it looks pretty nice. All the coils, there is also a fan here to cool all the hot air. Very nice construction. Yeah, also there are two capillary coils, one here and one here on the other side, which means, this is interesting, it looks like it can control each cell inside. This is interesting. Something that I don't like, you see, I have here a foil of, why they put it, I don't know if this is by mistake. You see, there is a foil of aluminum, which of course can do a short in the electronics. This is very bad. I don't know if they forgot it, why they put it, or what is the use of this, but of course I will remove because it can do shorts on the electronics. Okay, so now I will have to find a way to remove these screws, and then we will get to the boards. Okay, so I did use this tool, so I have this right angle 90 degrees, so I could open it easily. The screws are here, by the way. Also removed already the PCB, and yeah, you can do it. It's very easy because it is plastic. It's not closed very, very strong. So a little, you remove it a little, and then you can take it out very easily. Now I would like to mark all the wires before taking them out. So what I did, it's a good practice, all the wires that go in together, to mark them. Yeah, this is 2 connector here, so no issue. So I mark these 2 and these 2, so I will know that they should be together. And also with the 3rd wire that go on the same place here. Also here there are 4 wires, 3 black and 1 red. So all of them together, I will know that on one side. And yeah, which is the black, which is the red. Maybe I will watch this video to understand that I'm not doing any issue. But I think that all the blacks are going together, so it's not very complicated. Almost sure about it. Let's check with the flux, because this is a minus. Yeah, let's check it. yeah, all the three blacks are together and the red is separated here on the side. I will take another picture, and then there is a connector here standalone, and then I will be able to take it out, to take the board out and investigate what is going on there. So I will take another photo just to be on the safe side, from this side and from this side and from this side. Yeah, so I'm all covered, and now we can start to unplug. Yeah, it's go off very easy. Here we have another connector. If I open it, then I will not have this wire, so I have to connect it with this, not on this, on this side of the board. So I will know that they are all together. So yeah, this goes with this one. Something like this, yeah. So I can remove this one now because it's on the other side, and then I can take it out. There is silicone here or something that is catching it, but we can do it. Okay, so this is out. Also silicone here, and this all two plugs, one big silicone, so maybe I can take them all together at the same time. Not really, not really. Oh, it is a little stubborn, but we can do it, of course. I will have to remove some of the silicone. Maybe use a knife to do it, connected to the capacitor here. This one is off. This is a connector, no issue. And another last four. Maybe the silicone. One, two, three, and we have the board out. Okay, so this is the board. Yeah, there is a model number 230411158 SZF11YK, and then there is serial number. And now we will do investigation about this one. Okay, so I'm a little skeptical about what I found. I took it apart, of course, and then when it was off the case through 4 screws here, I found that this connector have not very good soldering, so I did go over the soldering. What I don't like, there are many Zener diode on this design. This one, and another Zener diode that is probably part of the decision what is the voltage and how to treat it. I didn't find any open resistor or short capacitor, and these are shunt resistors that sense the current, yeah, here, here, and here, and a few milliohms, they are all okay. And you have MOSFET and another diodes here and a lot of things, but I didn't find anything obvious, and I cannot test it while it is running, so I will try just after going the soldering of all these connectors. And here I did resolder almost everything because it was not very good soldering. I'm not sure this is the root cause, but it looks not very good. So I will try now to assemble everything back, and then I will let you know if it solved the problem or not.